We're playing with my sister and we're gonna start spawning stuff. Ready? Get your thing ready. First we need to find out where. Okay, right. The yellow thing on top. Yeah. Get on my bed. Get on my bed. Okay, let's go. 2, 1. She's going down first in 3, 2, 1. Now she's going down, 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 going down. And let's go to. Oh, I died. I'm only on one thing. So if I hit something about more times, then I'm gonna die. Sorry. Oh, damage. I'm flying in the sky. Whee! Oh, I died. Oh, I'm doing helicopter moves. Sister left because she's shed. It's so boring. And I said, God, it's not boring. And then, oh, I died. Oh, womp. A rowboat? A rowboat? No way, no way. I can get a rowboat. Wait. Okay, let's get ready and let's get on. Let's get on, get on, get on. Get on, hurry up. Get on, get on. Don't worry, I'm driving, I'm driving. See, I'm driving. I'm driving. 360! 360, don't worry, we're gonna live, okay? And we're gonna get a lot of money. Better. Into infinity! Let's go! Ring, 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 ring. Oh no, we died. You fall off and you die, and you die, and my sister fall off. Hee hee hee. My sister left because she rage quit, which is a bad thing to do in this game. Oh, she said yeah. But she knows. She said it's so boring, which is not. Oh, we're gonna die again. Oh, we die. Wait, if we hit something one more time, we're gonna die. Oh, we died. Oh, my body's flying and flying. Oh. Oh man, not yet. But this thing is a big revelation. Go. You know what? I'm gonna dodge everything. Fall on 360, fall on 360, fall on 360, and our 360. Can we do another one? Can we do another one before we get there? Oh man, 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 oh man. Oh man, we died! We died! We died! Oh! 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 Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Look at it! Got in there! Oh man! I'm gonna record a car now, because I should do in real life. That's what I should do. Afford it, buy a car. Just car. Place. We got a car in my mummy. Let's go into my yummy. Oh man, he didn't want to join. Well for him, because he doesn't get to ride me. And I'm recording also. Whoa. You almost died right there, man. Oh, man. This is... Oh, no. Streamline. I hope you guys learned that in school. Streamlining about aircraft. Yeah, yellow thing right there. That's where we should go. Instead of the unknown, where we all know where we're gonna go when we die. Uh-oh. We're going up. Oh my goodness, look at that Roblox. Oh, we're safe. We're safe. I don't know why that. We got a point! We got 700 wins! Whoa! So many stuff we can get! Which was the best thing we can get? Huh? Let's see! Purchase a boat. A normal boat. This time we're in protection, so we can go. Wait, can we just like... For safety measures. Oh, 360. Okay, we do it 360. Oh, we died. Oh, we're gonna die. Oh, we took damage right there. Ooh. Oh, yeah, right there. I don't know why I'm being here. I don't know why I'm wrong. Oh, we died. Yeah. Oh, we died due to a B-side. Shop? You can actually go to a shop. For the buildings, maybe? I don't know if we can do that. It's not an actual in the water to do it. Yes, it is. Now, let's go. 1. Make sure I have that. 2. Let's go. 3. Can't adjust where I want to go, but I can adjust where life is. Oh, wounded. Oh, we died. Oh, there's a yak. We got a yak. That's where I should belong on. God. Oh, are we actually gonna miss everything? Oh, we messed up. We did not mess up. No. You know, I think the ship's OP. Yep, that's where we should put. Oh man. Joe Biden should belong in the boathouse. You know what I mean? You know what? I think I should go all the way up. Oh, we missed. Oh, we missed. Oh, we got in there. Ooh. Yes, Sirski. Oh, we gotta die. We gotta stay here. Oh, we died. Nah. What a huge disappointment. trails. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Okay. This thing can actually fly. No, I can't even back. Okay, this is sucks at all. Flying. I have to run the ground. And why am I also here? For God's sake! The first thing is actually unstoppable. Well, bye.